9. When you see this sign, you should: Option A. Be prepared to stop if children are in the crosswalk. Option B. Always stop at the crosswalk. Option C. Slow down, proceed with caution, and watch for blind people. The correct answer is A. Be prepared to stop if children are in the crosswalk. Question 80. When you see a DMV route sign, you should watch out for: Option A. Slow-moving vehicles in the roadway. Option B. A Nevada law enforcement officer. Option C. Animal-drawn vehicles. The correct answer is A. Slow-moving vehicles in the roadway. Question 81. A bad car suspension can cause: Option A. Pumping the brakes. Option B. Vehicle control problems. Option C. Squealing brakes. The correct answer is B. Vehicle control problems. Question 82. When you see this red and white sign, you should stop and: Option A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. Option B. Let all vehicles that arrive before or after you go first. Option C. Check for vehicles in the direction you plan on going, then proceed. The correct answer is A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. Question 83. If you are involved in an accident with a parked vehicle and can't find the owner, you must: Option A. Report the accident to the city police or in unincorporated areas to the CHP. Option B. Leave a note with your name, phone number, and address on the parked vehicle. Option C. All of the above. The correct answer is C. All of the above. Question 84. Where there is no bicycle lane, where on the road must a bicyclist ride? Option A. Near the right curb or edge of the road. Option B. Near the left edge of the road. Option C. On the left shoulder of the road. The correct answer is A. Near the right curb or edge of the road. Question 85. This road sign means: Option A. Four-way stop. Option B. You must turn right. Option C. Crossroad ahead. The correct answer is C. Crossroad ahead. Question 86. The picture shows: Option A. A speeding fines doubled sign. Option B. A railroad advance warning sign. Option C. A reversible road sign. The correct answer is B. A railroad advance warning sign. Question 87. If you are arrested for driving with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, above the legal limit: Option A. You'll be required to take an alcohol test every 3 months for up to 2 years. Option B. DMV can take an administrative action against your driving privilege. Option C. You will be sentenced to up to 6 months in jail. The correct answer is B. DMV can take an administrative action against your driving privilege. Question 88. this road sign means? Option A, you can travel in either direction in this lane. Option B, two-way traffic ahead. Option C, divided highway ahead. The correct answer is B, two-way traffic ahead. Question 89. You want to turn left ahead. In the middle of the road there is a lane marked as shown. You must. Option A, merge completely into this lane before you make your left turn. Option B, turn from your current traffic lane after signaling. Option C, not enter this lane for any reason. The correct answer is A, merge completely into this lane before you make your left turn. Question 90. A law enforcement officer notices that one of your passengers is not wearing a seatbelt and writes a citation. Which of the following is true? Option A, you can receive the citation if the passenger is younger than 16. Option B, both you and your passenger will receive a citation. Option C, your passenger will receive a citation regardless of his or her age. The correct answer is A, you can receive the citation if the passenger is younger than 16. Question 91. If another driver does not dim his or her lights, you should. Option A, watch the oncoming vehicle out of the corner of your eye. Option B, look directly into the oncoming headlights. Option C, look toward the left edge of your lane. The correct answer is A, watch the oncoming vehicle out of the corner of your eye. Question 92. Which of the following best describes a slow-moving vehicle sign? Option A, a diamond-shaped orange sign. Option B, a round yellow sign. Option C, a triangular orange sign. The correct answer is C, a triangular orange sign. Question 93. When driving near roadwork zones, you should. Option A, maintain your speed to keep traffic flowing. Option B, slow down to watch the work as you pass. Option C, pass the work zone carefully and avoid distractions. The correct answer is C, pass the work zone carefully and avoid distractions. Question 94. You are at a red traffic signal. The traffic light turns green, but there are still other vehicles in the intersection. You should. Option A, enter the intersection and wait for traffic to clear. Option B, move ahead only if you can go around the other vehicles safely. Option C, wait until the vehicles clear the intersection before entering. The correct answer is C, wait until the vehicles clear the intersection before entering. Question 95. You should dim your lights for oncoming vehicles or when you are within 300 feet of a vehicle. Option A, you are approaching from behind. Option B, approaching you from behind. Option C, you have just passed. The correct answer is A, you are approaching from behind. Question 96. A flashing yellow traffic signal means? Option A, no right turn. Option B, slow down and be alert at the upcoming intersection. Option C, stop and proceed when a green light appears. The correct answer is B. Slow down and be alert at the upcoming intersection. Question 97. When sharing the road with a light rail vehicle, you. Option A. May not drive in the lane next to the light rail vehicle. Option B. Should monitor all traffic signals closely because light rail vehicles can interrupt traffic signals. Option C. May turn in front of an approaching light rail vehicle at an uncontrolled intersection. The correct answer is B. Should monitor all traffic signals closely because light rail vehicles can interrupt traffic signals. Question 98. On some interstate roads, diamond signs in the median indicate that. Option A. The left lane is reserved for carpool vehicles. Option B. There is a railroad crossing ahead. Option C. Passing is not allowed. The correct answer is A. The left lane is reserved for carpool vehicles. Question 99. Which way do you turn your front wheels to park downhill next to a curb? Option A. Parallel to the curb. Option B. Away from the curb. Option C. Into the curb. The correct answer is C. Into the curb. Question 100. You want to back out of a parking space. You should always back slowly and look. Option A. Over your right and left shoulders as you back up. Option B. At your rearview mirror as you back up. Option C. At your side mirrors as you back up. The correct answer is A. Over your right and left shoulders as you back up.